So, napadaan kami kanina sa Asian market. Kaya, I decided to buy some food. And marami ako nakita na produkto na parang made in Japan. All of them are product of Japan. And actually, they're almost all the same. Kaya, they're all the same. Almost. Gaya nito. Hindi ko mabasa. So, unahin natin to. Yeah, parang maliliit na ano. Ano ba tawag dito? I don't know what it is. It looks like a potato or an egg. Is that a potato or look like an egg? Maybe it's a potato. I guess it's a potato and an egg. Ano ba? Walang English ano guys. So, ano ba tawag? Oh, it said baked, dry, small, steamed buns. That's what it is. So, let's try it. Mukhang masarap siya. So, yan ang una kong binili. Parang yung bag na to, like, cost me $4. And I got more of it, like the same. Magkaiba lang yung packaging. Yeah. It said product of Japan. So, you have a small packaging here. It's the same thing. I don't really see it. The ingredients, it look like it's written in English. But I can't tell what's the name of it. Baby, what? Oh, it's a baby cookies. It's cookies for babies. It's cookies for babies. So I have another one. It's just parang ang cute lang kasi ng plastic. So parang ito, parang almost $2. Yung maliliit ng packaging na to. Parang ang cute ng packaging, ng plastic niya. Kaya nainganyo ako binili ng ilan. It looks delicious naman. So, let's try the cookies for babies. Junior BB Biscuit. This one naman, yung tawag dito ay Junior BB Biscuit. And the other one is, yeah, this name, Junior Baby Biscuit. But this one, they call it cookies for babies. And I have last one at the same kind. So, ito naman, iba yung tawag sa kanya. It said potato starch cracker. And again, it said product of Japan. So, they're all product of Japan. Nishimuru. Yeah, it's this one called potato starch. But they look the same to me. Yeah, let's see. The big bag. The big bag is resealable. So, we can eat it slowly. Or, eat it a whole day. Because I love eating so much these days. Eating non-stop. So, parang pareho lang sila. They look like a cookies. A very tiny round cookies. This one naman, eto guys, this is not my first time eating this one. I had tried this one before and I know this is a product of Japan as well. Kasi makikita mo naman yung nakasulat o parang kanji or hiragana. Parang expert, no? I'm just kidding. It said finger biscuit. It's kind of like salty. And I got 3 more left. I got this. The last 3 is candies. And I have not tried any of this before. This one also said product of Japan. And this is lychee candy. Real fruit juice. It said made of real fruit juice. It expired on 2025 on May. So, I'm excited. I'm excited to try this. It's probably gonna taste good, hopefully. And I have another one here, another candy, but this one is a fruity and soft. This is like a gummy candy. And it's a peach gummy candy. Yeah. It looks good also. So, and the last one, guys, the last product of Japan is gluten-free watermelon gummy candy. Mukhang masarap. Parang gusto ko na silang kainin. Yan, a gummy candy, a watermelon flavor. Diba? Mukhang ang sarap. I can't wait. Let's try one. So, I got 2 gummies. And then, I got 1 hard candy that is lychee flavor. Yan siya ang packaging niya. Pati yung packaging parang ang ganda. Gusto kong pumunta ng Japan. Oh, this thing inside niya, oh. Parang ano siya. Very soft. Transparent. And right here. That tastes good. That's good. I love it. So that's our vlog for today. I just want to share with you guys. I'm sorry, I'm eating. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and hopefully to see you in my next vlog. God bless you guys.